Hi guys, welcome back another tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to tell how to cancel your Remedy drink subscription. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to open any browser and you need to type like how to cancel Remedy drink subscription, and once you get the results you need to scroll down and or you can do one thing. First of all, you need to visit on their official website and you need to log in into your account. Okay, and once you logged in, then you need to again visit on your browser and you need to type like how to cancel Remedy drink subscription. Okay, and once you get the results, you need to scroll down and you need to click like I need to manage my subscription. Okay, and once you click on this one result, it will redirect on a new window, this kind of window, and you need to click how can I cancel my subscription. Okay, and select this one option, and over here you need to provide your email address, which is your registered email address. And once you provide your email address, you just need to simply click hit submit button. Okay, and once you click on hit submit button, your request of cancellation is submitted at their customer support team and they will contact you as soon as possible and they will provide you confirmation of mail. Okay, and they will provide you a confirmation of email at your email address. Okay, and if we talk about like you can see, if you are not going to log in into your account, as you know, as I have told you in the starting, you need to log in into your account. In that case, you are not able to submit your, you can say like this request. You have to log in into your account. Okay, or once you input this information, they will contact you and they will, you can say like they will get in touch with with you very soon, and that's it. You, by using this method, you can easily cancel your subscription. This is the only method. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye dear friends, and bye bye.